Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove your Instagram account from Chrome's auto login and delete all saved login information on your PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to instagram.com in the address bar. This will take you directly to the Instagram login page where your saved credentials are currently stored. When the page loads, look to the left side of your screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This is Instagram's main menu icon. From the menu that appears, click on Log Out. This step ensures you're signed out of your current session before removing your saved account information. After logging out, you'll notice your saved account is still visible on the login screen. Next to your account, you'll see a small gear icon. Click on this gear icon, and from the options that appear, select Remove. This action tells Instagram to stop displaying your account on this device's login screen. A confirmation message will now pop up asking you to verify this action. Go ahead and click Remove from this browser to confirm. This ensures Instagram knows you want to completely remove your account from the saved login list on Chrome. Now, let's clear the site data to make sure nothing is left behind. Direct your attention to the top of your browser, specifically to the left of the address bar. You'll see a site settings icon there. Click on it to access Chrome's site-specific settings for Instagram. In the site settings window that appears, click on Cookies and Site Data. This section stores all the information Instagram has saved in your browser. If you see any entries labeled Instagram, click the trash can icon next to each one to remove them. This step is crucial because it deletes all cookies and cache data that Instagram has stored, ensuring no trace of your login information remains at the browser level. Next, we need to remove your saved password from Chrome's Password Manager. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner of your browser to open Chrome's main menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's full settings page where you can manage all your browser preferences. On the left side of the settings page, look for and click on Autofill and Passwords. This section controls how Chrome handles your saved login credentials across all websites. Once you're in this section, click on Google Password Manager. This is where Chrome stores all your usernames and passwords for quick access. In the Password Manager, use the search function or scroll through the list to find Instagram. Once you locate it, click on the Instagram entry to open its details. You'll now see all the information Chrome has saved for your Instagram login. At the bottom of this page, you'll see a Delete button. Click Delete to permanently remove your Instagram credentials from Chrome's Password Manager. This ensures Chrome will no longer autofill your Instagram login information. And that's it! You've successfully removed your Instagram account from Chrome's auto login and deleted all saved login information. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.